Let's use Storyline to create an engaging click to reveal activity. So here you can see I've designed 4 diamond-shaped buttons and I have 4 slide layers. Now each of these layers have image and text, making sure that you include an exit or a close button so there's an action to exit that interaction. Make sure you have consistent naming conventions to make your life easier when applying triggers. Each button will have an assigned trigger. It will be show layer name when user clicks button name, and this turns this interaction into a click to reveal. For each of the click to reveal layers, you need to set up an exit layer trigger for the close button. This will be the same trigger on all layers, which is hide layer, this layer, when the user clicks close. Ensure you set states for all of your buttons, include normal, hover and visited states. You'll see here on my visited state that I have a tick to indicate completion. Repeat this process for all buttons and layers, the show layer trigger and the hide layer trigger. You can also set up a trigger to prevent the user from moving on to the next slide until all of the buttons have been clicked. First, ensure that the next button or the next instruction text is either disabled or hidden. To set up your trigger, you need to set the state of the text box or the next button to normal when the state of, and then list your buttons there, tick the ones that are relevant, in this case it's the 4 diamonds, is set to visited. That's why it's really important that we set up a visited state when we make our buttons. And there you have it, 4 mandatory click to reveal buttons that reveal layers with exit close buttons on them. Let me know what you think about this tutorial and what else you'd like to see.